Hey there, Robert Moody with MarineMax out the Dallas Yacht Center at Pier 121. Today I want to show you this 2023 Cruisers Yachts 38 GLS. If you're not familiar with Cruisers Yachts, the GLS series, kind of our luxury day boats with the mini cabin in it, but it's really like a hybrid boat. A lot of great outdoor seating because all the fun's outside. Let's step on here and take a look. First thing you notice is a massive swim platform. I do have the hydraulic swim step that'll go down. I don't have it all the way in the water now, but it can go down in the water, sit on it. Great place to hang out on the back of the boat. Also great seating back here. This seat can swivel around, different face sideways, face forward, aft. I'm underneath a nice extended shade, so when you're hanging out back here, you're not getting, killed by the sun. We do have one side terrace door that'll drop down on the 38 GLS, which is really nice for more room on the back of the boat when we're hanging out all day back here. Kids hopping off, it's a lot of fun. They did a good job adding speakers pointing out that way, direction on the water, into the aft too, down low. Tons of room in the cockpit. They do have it, you can put a table up there, you can put a table up there, so however you're seated, wherever you want to be, you can put the tables up. They got a little galley outside, so we're gonna have a Kenya electric grill. We're gonna have a nice refrigerator with a freezer tray in it, and great storage down here too. So bottle racks, trash can. There's a sink, and also a removable TV. So if you wanna watch a game or something, pop it out here. Otherwise, it's gonna go down in the cabin for your TV down in the cabin. A lot of room right here in the cockpit. So kind of cool that they put this galley bar right here. What I really love about it is these two bar stools that they added. So when you're anchored out and all the fun's back here in the back, people can sit here at the bar if they want to eat, talk, have drinks in the water, out of the water. So a great area for out during the day. We've got a really nice hard top, so a lot of shade. It does have an opening sunroof, so you can open that up at night if you want to see the stars and the moon. You can do that. Otherwise, it's Texas in summer. We probably want shade and a breeze, keep us nice and cool. This boat is powered with twin Merc Cruiser 380 horsepowers, 8.2 liters, of course with a sky hook, auto heading, all the cool features with the joystick controls, digital shifters. So great power on the boat. Two Simrad screens on there, stereo on it. You're gonna have the chart on it and depth finder and everything for the Merc Cruiser engines. There's also a couple AC vents that's pulling from the air conditioner downstairs, but the driver here can get a little bit of cool air, or in the wintertime get some heat blowing on you too. Nice double wide Helm seat with flip down side armrests, so two people can sit up here and ride together. And if you need a little bit more visibility, I like how they got this drop down wooden step that you can stand on to get some more height, because it is an open bow, which is kind of the fun thing for a 38-foot boat. We're gonna walk up there, and no steps anywhere, so I really like how easy it is for people to come up to the bow. Nice and deep, so you're safe in the boat. And with these twin 380 horsepower Merc Cruiser engines, it'll get up and go. And a lot of the fun coming out to the lake, being outside, maybe you want all the wind in your face. And so right up here. Another great social zone if people just want to hang out and talk. You got cup holders, stereo control, speakers up here, a lot of cup holders. Another table up here too. So for a 38-foot day boat, it does have a nice twin bed mid cabin back there. Its own TV, AC vents, nice cool dark. If you do want to overnight on the boat, you definitely can. A lot of room back there and great storage on the sides. This table can also drop down. This can fold out. Table drops down. Filler cushions are back here. You can fill this in, make this into a second berth if you need to. Control panels back behind here. I like how they got everything hidden so we can get a little window over here. Great seating down here. Again, the TV from the cockpit, you can move out here and put down here. So if you want to watch something down here, you got two TVs down here once you do that. They kind of got rid of the galley down below because a lot of people cook outside on the grill anyway. So what they did put a full-size refrigerator and microwave down here, so at night you can still get snacks and drinks and heat something up to eat. You don't have to go back out into the cockpit if you are going to be overnighting on the boat. So I really like how they did that. A lot of great room in here. Again, this is all AC and heated, so you're comfortable year-round. And they also have a really nice wet head in here. Big windows, mirrors, storage, exhaust fan, AC vent blowing in there. So it's a really great 38-foot big day boat you can overnight on. If you have any questions about this boat or any other Cruisers Yachts, please give me a call. Again, I'm Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center here at Pier 121.